USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find a link. It says swing trading on automation. Click on the first link, come to this page here, watch the video. These are the results of last 5 years, how much money you could make. Go and watch it. This is swing trading on automation. This is not scalping or bullshit, okay? This is like for serious people who know how trading works. And you will find more when you watch this video, okay? So I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. You don't hear that every day. So coming back here, you will find Telegram link as well. You can connect with me on Telegram if you want some free signals and some stuff. So go and join Telegram as well. Subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. We are down. Okay. So you see, I think a couple of weeks ago, maybe in my second last USDJPY video, I told you that you see this here in weekly and also in daily chart. You see, daily we are zigzag with Chigivigi. Okay, so we are consolidating. And why this is happening, you know why? Because Japan and the USA, you know, the economies of these both countries are not doing pretty good at the moment. Okay, so right now, you know, dollar plus yen is it? Japan, yeah, yen. Okay, so Japan and America both are not doing good economically right now. That is why you have zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So no, no currency is able to dominate, the other currency. So neither yen is going up, neither dollar is going up, or neither yen is going down, neither dollar is going down. Reason being, both countries are right now kind of not doing well in terms of economy at this moment, okay? But sooner or later you will see a breakout, but right now it's ranging. I am not looking for any trades in USDJPY. That's the bottom line, okay? Coming back to 4 hour here, right here we are on the EMA. You see the EMA is passing through, crossing in between the candles. That's not the time to trade. Skip. But still the long-term trend is down, okay? Still the situation is that you can look for shorts and take your profit maybe here, okay, maybe here. This is the low, okay? So this is going down now and it should take down this low, right? So as per daily chart, there's no trading in daily chart, okay? The zigzag chicky is happening here. So I'm not interested in daily chart. 4 hour is low, but I will not trade this because I think I have more clarity in Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and USD CAD rather, okay? USD CAD is rather more clear to me. So I'll not really touch this USD JPY because there's not much going on in Japan and USA right now, okay? Let's wait for the breakout in USD JPY, either towards the downside, towards the upside. Time will tell. More likely I'm expecting the downside, okay? Because 4 hour is clearly below the AMI. And this is a new high though, okay? So we have to wait until this pull. We have to confirm if this is a pullback and then we will go up or this will carry on going down, right? As I said, I normally look into daily time frame, and in daily time frame we are not in a trend right now, so I'll avoid. There are too many pairs to trade. I only do videos on USD pairs. Otherwise I have too many pairs to trade, okay? So that's it. Try to avoid USDJPY if you're a swing daily trader. And if you want to automate everything and you don't want to worry about when to trade, when not to, then do the automation, which I have made, okay, possible now. Click the first link below, come to this page, watch 5 years results, and then I'll see you inside. So I guess that's it. So subscribe, like, blah, 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 and join Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.